Hey guys, so welcome back dito sa ating video. So since maraming students na nagtatanong kung paano ba makapag automate the business, automate your business using We Automate, at the same time yung pag receive natin ng payment dito sa Send It account. So dapat meron na kayong Send It account, and then dito rin meron na kayong meron na kayong account din sa We Automate para ma-discuss natin to. Alright? The first thing that you are going to do is that you're going to go here sa membership and then go to your course offers. Okay? Of course, dapat meron na din kayo ng mga courses na nagawa. In this case, this is just an example sa gagawin ko. We are going to make another offer. Dito, click natin yung offer and the offer natin title. Let's say for example, we wanna sell out yung how to sell parang ebooks in the Philippines, okay? So, lagay ko lang dito how to sell ebook in the Philippines. Okay, let's say for example, ito yung course na ibibenta natin. Products natin dito, ito, how to sell ebooks in the Philippines. If you want to add more like package, siguro 15 in 1 or 5 in 1 or 3 in 1, ganun. So you can select whatever or how many courses na gusto mo ilagay. In this case, ito yung course na gusto kong ibenta. Type dito is lagay into free. Okay. Tapos dito sa price text override, so let's just put here some like text like this, a special course access, right? Boom. Okay, once it's here, click mo yan lang create. Yan. And then it will ask you to upload a parang image. So ang image na ilagay mo is at least 1280 by 720. We're gonna select an image here. Actually, it's not really parang tawag dito. This is not related, pero gusto ko lang ilagay ito para ma-fit siya dito sa 1280 by 720 kasi ito yung nagawa ko sa batch 8 na recording namin. So you're gonna add here parang description. Let's say for example, step 1 dyan, tapos step 2, pwede ka maglagay ng mga step 1, step 2 dyan. So description yan, okay? Now, once you're done, once mo click mo yung save, hindi pa yan siya totally na ready. So you need to click here sa publish and then click mo yung save para ma-automatic na siya talaga na save na offer na yan. And then if you try to go here sa get link, okay, ito na yung link niya. And then once you click and open it into UTab, ito yung maging view niya. Okay? Yan, wait for it to load. So ito yon, how to sell ebooks in the Philippines. Okay, proceed to check out para makapag-enter ka na ng login details. So again guys, ito yung magiging landing page natin doon sa Send It natin ilagay. So we're just gonna copy this link dito and then we're gonna paste it here, okay? This is gonna be the link kung saan ilagay natin dito yung Send It na parang after they pay, ito yung landing page na makukuha ng client natin or yung customers, okay? So going back here dito sa main, okay, punta ka rin dito sa sites. Okay, sa sites. And let's say for example, as you can see, marami akong tawag dito mga websites na sa Homebase Connect. So let's say for example, I wanna duplicate this para lang just to give you an idea. Okay, kasi I don't wanna ruin this main talaga na landing page. This is the good thing about We Automate kasi pwede mo siyang ma-duplicate and then ma-clone natin to. Parang isa pa rin siyang tawag dito website, tawag dito ebook testing website, okay? Okay, click natin confirm. What it will do is i-duplicate to, tapos it will be makakreate siya ng panibagong website out from the duplicate na nagawa natin. Ito na yun siya. Okay, ito. So click natin to, yan. And then dito, obviously this is gonna be the main link, pero wala pa tayong domain. So in order for us na meron tayong domain, i-click natin yung settings and then click natin dito yung domain. Of course, ito yung domain na gagamitin natin. And then click mo yung steps. And actually there are parang meron tayong parang standard dito para hindi siya maging okay. Lagyan natin ng favicon, lagyan natin ng mga path, pero in this presentation, i-skip muna natin yan. Okay, dito i-click natin yung publishing. Yan, publishing natin is, let's say for example, ebook selling. So basically, pag type sila homebaseconnect.com/ebook selling, so ito na yung website or URL na i-send out natin doon sa mga customers natin or mga clients. So update lang natin yung step, wait lang natin mag-load. Yan. And then dito sa payment portal, kasi may payment portal ako before, pwede natin i-delete yung payment portal. Actually, hindi na. Pwede natin siya hindi kasi i-redirect natin siya dito sa ito na link, right? So, let's go back here sa settings kasi parang hindi pa siya na-connect. Yan. So, connect muna natin to. Boom. Click natin yung save. Okay? Ayun. So, na-save na siya. Obviously, if you're going to go here sa homebaseconnect.com/ebooks selling, ito na yung lalabas. So, napakadali. Yan. Right? So, what are we going to do right now is we are going to parang edit this para i-edit natin to para malagay natin yung send it link. Right? So, edit natin to ito new page. Then, yan. So, wait for it to load. At the same time, while nag-loading yan siya, we are going to go here sa send it. Okay? Sa send it account, punta tayo dito ngayon sa payment links. Okay? Make sure na meron tayong send it account ha. Payment links, then dito, payment links. Then create new payment link. Yan. Babalikan natin to. Okay, so, ito na yung tawag dito. Ito na yung website na we're going to edit. Let's say for example, parang gusto kong ibenta to na siguro, let's say for example, 250. Okay, 250. Tapos dito, pwede natin yung reference ID natin is HBC. Depende to sa inyo, pwede nyo to i-change. HBC ebook selling course. Yan, para may idea ko kung saan galing yung sale. Tapos 250. Tapos description. Let's say for example, 1 lifetime or 1 year access. Okay. Lifetime access to the course how to sell ebooks in the Philippines, right? Boom. Yan, description. Tapos click natin yung enable payment method, enable multiple payments, yan. And then dito, ilagay natin dito yung URL niya. Ano ba yung gusto niyo maging URL? So, lagay ko dito ebook selling. Yan. Okay yan siya. So, i-click natin to. If you're going to accept donation, ganyan-ganyan. So, leave natin yan uncheck. Tapos dito, accept unlimited payments. Okay, kailangan unlimited to. Okay, then the next one is you're going to change this one to 7. The good thing about this kasi, if your client is hindi sila nakapagbayad pa, tapos nakapag-sign up na sa dito sa form, itong send it na to will automatically send email notification and text notification para to let your client know na hindi pa sila nakabayad, and that's gonna be for 7 days. 7 days. Imagine, meron ka ng automation doon din sa send it din. Okay? So, let's say for example, nakapagbayad siya within 7 days. Let's say sa example, sa 5th day nakapagbayad siya. So, automatic na ang system, hindi na siya i-follow up. Okay? And then, pag makabayad siya, i-redirect siya doon sa link na nandito. Okay? Now, let's say for example, ito, we are good to go here, no? Yan. Dito, wag niyong kalimutan, before ka mag-create ng payment link, you need to put this one here. Check mo yung download, yung down arrow, para makita mo dito. So, tingnan nyo, payment redirect URLs. Set where you want to direct your customers after successfully or parang may failed payments. So, ito na yung successful na payment redirect URL. Meaning to say, if nakapagbayad na tapos successful yung payment niya, send it will redirect your customer or your client or your students dito na link. So again, alam ba ano ba tong link na to? So if you're going to copy that one and paste it here, makita natin na ito na yung membership area wherein your customer are going to log in or create an account para makapag-start na sila doon, makapanood ng courses, right? So let's go back here sa yan, send it. So here, of course, kailangan natin i-copy to. Since this is gonna be the landing page kung mag-successful yung payment niya. Okay, so what are you going to put here sa failed na payment redirect URL? So obviously, you're just going to copy the link here. Ito, para makabalik sila doon sa main na website. Right? Okay. Now, before clicking create payment link, you need to check kung ano ba yung put up mo ng mga details. So, for example, subtotal 250, total amount 250. Ito yung URL redirect. Yan, custom URL. Tapos maximum number of payments dapat supposed to be no limit talaga. Tapos payment is completed, you will be redirected to this particular landing page. So once you're done with this, check mo yung description para okay siya. Once you're done, once you're good with it, kailangan mo i-click ang create payment link, okay? Once ma-create mo yung payment link, all you have to do is copy mo tong URL dito from send it. Copy mo yan siya, and lahat ng mga button na nandito is lagyan mo ng, let's say for example, ng link. Okay, i-click mo to kasi dito sila pipili, 'di ba? So obviously we're going to change this one to 50, right? Boom. Okay, normally change natin yan to 2,500. Okay? So 250. So ang next step supposed to be ang bottom action natin diyan, dapat next step. But since meron tayong URL sa send it, i-click natin tong website URL. Okay? Once ma-click natin tong website URL, again, you're going to copy the send it URL. I-click nyo dito sa website. Boom. Right? And then, look for another, button din. Dito, next step, instead of next step, lagyan mo ng URL. Alright? Yan, URL. Dito sa baba. Okay, dito, meron pa ding button. So, instead of next step, lagyan mo ng URL. Boom. Okay? Tapos, dito. So, lagyan mo ng website URL. And then, boom. Right? So, obviously, kompleto na yan siya. Once you're good with it, pwede mo nang i-click ang publish. Okay, click mo itong publish. Okay, yan. Update natin yung SEO meta. Yan. Okay, publish natin. Yan. Okay. Now, here's the good thing about this. Let's say, for example, nagbebenta ka na, nag-ads ka na. So, ito yung link na gagamitin mo doon sa ads manager na ilagay mo. Or, maybe, meron kang email marketing ngayon, gusto mo ma-promote to. So, copy mo na itong link na to, and then paste it here, somewhere, diba? If ever your client or customers makapag-click nito, they will be redirected to this particular website, right? So, the good thing about that is that pag i-click mo to, automatic you will be then redirected dun sa send it na platform. Boom, ayun na siya. Okay? So, let's say for example, you're gonna fill up here, tapos yung name mo, tapos number, yan. Support, lagyan din dito, Boss Jake TV Sales lang. sales@gmail.com. Boom! 250, Jake A, tapos ito description, link ID, ebook selling, lifetime access to the course, how to sell ebooks in the Philippines, 250. Pag i-click ko yung continue, I will be redirected sa kanyang pang payment portal kung saan ka magbayad. Via GCash, yan, or credit card. Yan, ito yung credit card. Pwede ka makapagbayad ng credit card. Let's say for example, retail outlet, 7-Eleven, Cebuana, tapos e-wallets, Maya, GrabPay, Shopee Pay, GCash, and debit. Yeah, BPI, Unibank, and RCBC. Okay, once maklik natin to, let's say for example, you're gonna pay sa GCash, you will be then redirected to another GCash page. And once you are good with it, example, makapagbayad na sila GCash, after maging successful yung payment niya, you will then be redirected to this particular link, which is this one. And then, of course, pag meron ka ng link dito, you will be, example, makapag-sign up ka na, makapag-login ka na, so, you're going also to receive parang email tsaka password doon for you to access the courses na binibenta mo. Alright, so that's it guys. No, napaka-basic, napaka-simple lang ang flow natin. Basta importante lang meron kayong send it na account at saka meron kayong WeAutomate na account para ma-integrate mo yung automation mo. Again guys, wala ka ng tao na i-hire dito. Let's say for example, you're gonna use Facebook ads na para ma-redirect yung mga tao doon sa landing page mo, sa pinaka-main na landing page mo. Let's just for example ito. Example ito. Then, makapagbayad na sila, i-click na nila to, automatic, pag magbayad sila, your customers or your students will be redirected here. So that's it for this episode, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment sa comment section down below. So thank you guys and have a great day.